Hello dear students, some of the students have asked me to give a session on work of mechanics. Okay. So we will derive here the formula W equals to Fs cos theta. This formula will be derive here. Okay. Now, as we know that work is said to be done when the force is applied on a body and the body gets displaced. See, work is nothing but when the force is applied on a body, on a particular body, and the body gets displaced in the direction of force, of the application of force, then we say that work has been done, some work has been done. Suppose this is a toy car. This is a toy car. This toy car is pulled in this direction. This is the direction of force because it is being pulled in that direction, and the displacement obviously will be in the same direction. इसी direction में displacement भी होगा. If the force is being applied and no displacement is observed there, if no displacement is seen there, suppose we are pushing a wall and the wall does not move, then according to physics, according to science, no work has been done. Here some work has been done. Now what will happen if the boy is standing on the ground? The boy is standing on the ground and the toy car is here on the ground, and if he is pulling this toy car in this direction, then obviously ये हवा में तो जाएगा नहीं ऊपर की तरफ, ये रोड पर ही इस डायरेक्शन में इसका डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा. द डिस्प्लेसमेंट विल बी सीन हॉरिजॉन्टली इन दैट डायरेक्शन. सो व्हाट विल हैपन इन दिस सिचुएशन? ऐसे सिचुएशन में होगा क्या? दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स एंड दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. दिस इज योर फोर्स, द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स, एंड दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ this displacement has been seen because of the force, invisible force, which was seen here. यहाँ पर एक force लगा था, invisible force, which is the resultant of this force. Since this force is acting in this direction, one another resultant force is seen here. That is why the body is moving in this direction. Then let us suppose this is the angle theta which is being formed between the direction of this displacement and the direction of the application of the force. Let us join these two. Then we can see that this has become now a right angle triangle. Suppose this is perpendicular to this line, so this is your right angle triangle. ये एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल हो गया. द रिजल्टेंट ऑफ दिस फोर्स, दिस इज द एक्चुअल फोर्स, एक्चुअल डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स, एंड अनदर इनविजिबल इफेक्ट ऑफ दिस फोर्स इज एक्सपीरियंस्ड हियर. लेट अस सपोज दिस फोर्स बी F1. इसको हम F1 ले लेते हैं. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन दिस इज योर थीटा. सो साइन थीटा, as we know that sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is your hypotenuse, this is your perpendicular, and this is your base. ये आपका base है. This is your base. Now sin theta equals to T by H according to that trigonometry you might have studied or you may be studying now, and cos theta equals to B by H, base by hypotenuse, and tan theta equals to perpendicular by base. Okay, here this is the angle about which we are talking here. This is the angle theta. We are talking about this angle theta. So this theta angle is associated with the side this one. This is your base and this is your hypotenuse. So base by hypotenuse is the relation cos theta. Let us choose this and cancel out these two. These two are needed here. Let us use this formula. So cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base here is nothing but your F1 and hypotenuse is nothing but your f. This is your f. This implies that cos theta into f is your f1, or value of this f1 is your cos theta f. Okay, f cos theta. Now after the cross multiplication here, now putting this value को हम यहाँ पुट कर देते हैं. Body is moving in this direction, इस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है, तो here this f1 w equals to f1s. This can be written like this also, w equals to f1s. Why? Because the effect, that means the resultant force, is this one f1 and this is the displacement. So it can be written as f1s. Putting the value of this, suppose this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. So putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1, let us write a language here. Putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 में equation 2 को put कर देने से what will happen? See here, this is equation 2. Now w equals to f1s. So instead of that we can write w equals to f1. Instead of f1 we can write here f cos theta, and this is your s. Instead of this is your s. So w, this can be rearranged and can be written as fs cos theta. This is nothing but this one we have seen here. यही चीज हमको यहाँ पर मिल गया. Now the force is also being applied in this direction. Force भी इसी डायरेक्शन में है और डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी उसी डायरेक्शन में हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Then the value of theta equals to 0. The value of theta equals to 0. Cos 0 equals to 1. यहाँ पर value of cos 0 equals to 1 होगा. Now this was the first case. In the second case, if the object is here, this is the object, and we are expecting the displacement in this direction, and we are applying force in this direction, that means the theta is your 90 degree. यदि theta 90 degree का लग रहा है, यहाँ पर see this is the 90 degree, the theta is 90 degree, then cos 90 लिख सकते हैं. Cos 90, the value of cos 90 equals to 0. That means what will not be said to be done. Now in the third case we will see that if the block or the body, the cart is kept here, we are expecting the displacement in this direction. इस डायरेक्शन में हम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट होने को, बट वी आर अप्लाइंग फोर्स इन दिस डायरेक्शन. फोर्स हम इस डायरेक्शन में लगा रहे हैं और उसको हम उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि उधर जाए. देन दिस इज नथिंग बट द एंगल विच इज मेड हियर इज 180 degree. So theta, the value of theta is 180 degree, and the value of cos 180 will become -1. यहाँ पर cos 180 का वैल्यू -1 होता है, तो इसमें डायरेक्शन जो है ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है. सो ये cos थीटा cos 180 will become -1. ओके. द फोर्थ केस इज व्हाट? चौथे केस में क्या होगा जो अभी हमने देखा.